I recently got 10,000 views on one of my YouTube short videos. Thank God, finally. Like, I was so excited. And now I'm going to be telling you how much YouTube Shorts paid me. Now, I started posting shorts solely to promote my long form content, which isn't really working out as I thought. But I never knew how much I could make from shorts until now. Now, I would show you how much YouTube paid me for 10,000 short views and compare it to how much YouTube paid me for 10,000 views on a long form video, as well as explain to you how the YouTube monetization for short works, because it's quite different from how it works for long form content. Now, let's get to it. So for this video you're seeing on your screen now, I got a total of 60 cents.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
60 cents for 10,000 views on shorts with an RPM of 6 cents. So RPM is basically revenue per mil, which is revenue per 1,000 views. So for every 1,000 views I got on shorts, I was paid 6 cents. So now it's 10,000, which means 0.06 times 10, and that's 60 cents. Now let me show you how much I made from one of my long form videos that got 10,000 views. Now with this video that got 10,000 views, I'm going to put it on the screen. I was paid a total of €10.75 and my RPM was €1.04. So now compare 10 euros that I got from a long form video to 60 cents I got from a short form video with the same number of views.
What?
Are you getting what I'm getting? You know what I'm talking about, right?
Oh my God.
Yeah, but hold on, I would explain to you why we're getting different revenue for the same number of views on different type of videos. The reason for the difference is that in long form videos, the ads are being played in your videos and you can put as many ads as you want, as long as the video is 8 minutes and above. And even if it's 3 minutes or 2 minutes, YouTube can play one ad at the beginning of your video and one ad at the end of the video. So that's 2. So basically you're playing multiple ads on your video and it's just your video. So you're only going to split your income between you and YouTube. So YouTube will take 45% and you will take 55%. But with YouTube Shorts, the ads are not being played in your video because it's even too short to be playing ad. Imagine if you're watching a video of 1 minute and you're seeing ads, like it will just ruin the experience. So the ads are not being played inside your video, so there is no ad break. The ads are being played in between 2 videos, so your video up and another person's video down, or another person's video up and your video down, but like in between. And that's why when you're scrolling, just like TikTok, when you're scrolling, all of a sudden you see a video but it's an ad. It's not really like a creator's video. And sometimes, or most times, you use copyrighted music because YouTube Shorts is just like Instagram Reels or TikTok. You mostly use songs to make your videos, which is mostly copyrighted because most of the popular songs are copyrighted. So now the revenue gotten from the ads are being shared between you, other creators, the music artist, and YouTube. Now you're getting it, right? By the time the money is being split like this, how much is left?
Oh my God.
Yeah, but the good thing about shorts is that if you're trying to grow your subscriber count, shorts is the way to go. Like, you're going to get as much subscribers as you want. But the bad side is that you're going to be attracting people with low attention span, and if you want to make long form video, this can affect your channel because the 2 different types of videos attract different audience. So it will be hard to get your short viewers to watch your long form content, and that's the problem I have because I was making the shorts to promote my long form content and it's currently not working. In fact, I'm doing a 30-day challenge of posting shorts for a whole 30 days straight, and I'm going to make a video about the results when I'm done. So subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you can see when I post that video. So my conclusion is that as a babe that likes money, I would definitely not solely do shorts on YouTube. I would definitely mix it with long form content. So subscribe to make me more money. Bye.